Okay, so my friend says how to do the blush effect. So first, you can just choose any color you want, anything. You can just do like this or something like that. I always choose this one. You can also change it like this. Wait, I just like this. You can there's like this blush, anything. And then there's also this blush like like this. You can also do this blush. And here's this cause like that you doesn't even like it or something. Okay, so you can also do this one like this. You could just do like this. Then how you do it. But for those who can't even do a straight bar like this and they just like disappear quickly, you can just use a dot and then make a space. You can just do that if you want. It's okay if it's not quite good. So the tutorial's done. Bye!